Hi guys, this is Risa. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. So, I want to talk a little bit today about a news I heard on the internet about Jamaica banning locks or dreads in schools. I think that is atrocious. By the way, just a little housekeeping. Please subscribe to this channel and give this a thumbs up if you so please. Thank you. So, I heard that Jamaica has banned locks or dreads. How can a country that has built this culture, Rastafarianism, this culture has spread throughout the world now. Everywhere you go, they know a Rasta. They know a dread. People are locks in their hair, left, right, and center. And now Jamaica has taken this on where they have banned locks in school. You are infringing on people's rights. That is not something that you could just go and say, okay, we're taking that away from you. Yes, the world has changed. We all know that. We are being programmed slowly. They're taking things away from us to program this. This is a power trip. And I think Jamaica is emulating the United States of America by banning things, taking away things they took away. Um, the prayers, the Lord's Prayer out of schools. They take away the Ten Commandments. They wanted to ban natural hair, didn't go through. But then Jamaica followed suit and they have banned locks or dreads in school. That is so crazy. A country that has built up this culture for the world. Now they are banning it. The world is looking at you, Jamaica. This is not something that you should be showcased in or broadcasting because people, other countries look to Jamaica. They follow suit Jamaica because Jamaica is, Jamaica strive. Jamaica and Jamaicans strive to be the best at whatever it is that they do, whether it's, in track and field, in education, in music, in anything, food, whatever. Jamaicans strive to be the best, and Jamaica should maintain that status as being the best, not to go backwards. How can you take something from the Rastafarians? That is their culture. Their hair is an integral part of them. So, a Rasta family is there. The children have locks, and you're going to tell them that they have to cut it? That's their religion. That's something sacred to them. Rastas have come a long way. Marcus Garvey kind of pushed forth the Rastafarianism, and then Bob Marley came and he solidified it. And now those people, they would turn in their graves if they could to see what is happening. This is not the time for us to go back. It's to move forward. Jamaica should be setting an example for the rest of the Caribbean to follow suit. The crime in Jamaica is outrageous. Poor people need housing, need food. Until then, I can't build all the houses for all those people. The government has to do that. Students need money to go to school. It's just crazy what's going on. The infrastructure need to fix. Give people jobs. People need jobs. You're interfering with Rasta and their hair. There's so much more need to be done in the country to make it a worthwhile place to be now that Corona has come and shut everything down. This is what you need to be emphasizing and focusing on. Leave the Rasta man alone. Leave him and his children's hair. If you're a teacher, then your hair has to be cut. You can't go in school with your locks because it's going to be against the rules. So I think they need to focus more on Jamaica, focus on the infrastructure, how people are going to survive because a recession is coming, and leave the Rasta man alone. Let him eat his callaloo and relax with his hair. Please, leave the dread.